Well, this is it. Virgin Run Camping. Everything's set up. Got my traction boards. There is a snowstorm moving in, I guess. It's hard to say, but we're gonna find out. Here we are, getting into Kananaskis country. Yeah, so I just came out here because I camped here before, and it used to be a super nice place to camp. Now it's just trashed. Look at this. Jesus fuck. This is why we can't have nice things. Super nice campsite here. Just utterly destroyed. Brutal. No respect. Well, looks like I'm gonna go to a different area now. So now I'm back on the road. I'm gonna go back up to the top, come in through the staging, and camp up top around here. Well, this is not the most ideal spot. It'll do for now. Plus there's some scrap wood I could scavenge up from the fire pits. Looks like someone just got sick of their jet boil, so I toss it in there. Trailer is just shook to shit. There's actually a downed spruce tree over there that someone cut down. It's gonna get the wildlife fire pit fired up. Some people are coming up with trailers. Maybe they're getting some wood. Maybe they're gonna recover dead ATV. Either way, I'm right off of the main trail, so it is what it is. I just want to get out for the night. The first spot was pretty far in. If we do get that big dump of snow, it'll be definitely challenging to get out tomorrow. But right here, I'm a kilometer from the main staging area, so I don't have too far to go. Get the old electric saw and my firewood bag. It's not that far of a walk from the campsite, which is good. This is it. I could cut the whole thing up, but this should be good enough. Well, the Fisker splitting axe is my favorite. It's CRKT from Cabela's, and this is the Gerber. I also picked up from Cabela's. It stays in my trailer full time. Yeah, so we'll split that up. Lots of knots. Hit the camera. That's my little firewood pile there. Should last me the night, because after all, this time of year it's 6 o'clock, it's dark. I'll be in the trailer watching movies by 7. Now, we're gonna make some kindling with this baby right here. CRKT Berserker from Cabela's, and always like to wear gloves so you don't cut your hands. This is the wood I cut that was already down. It does seem like it's a little wet, even though it looks like it was down for a while. It didn't have any green needles on it. I guess we won't know until we physically go light her up. This definitely wasn't the nicest campsite, and there's not really a whole bunch to do, but it's the first trip out with the Jeep, and I didn't want to go too far, especially if the storm did come, which I can see right now. It's starting to snow, so maybe there might be some truth to it. So it is what it is. It's basically a night out. Try to have some fun, relax, come back the following day. Starting to get some big flakes coming down. Firelight has the fan, so I can get that thing stoked. Flames are starting to come through now. Got a nice fire going. Looks like the snow is trying to let up a bit. I think I'm gonna get something to eat. I'll probably start to organize soon. Temperatures are like this. Don't need to bring my 12-volt cooler. So I use this Cabela's one. Got the sandwich here, but actually last night, I don't like to cook in the wintertime. I don't like to make dishes. So I got some Popeye's chicken there. I got the sandwich to eat later. Fire was sucking for like the past hour. I think it's finally starting to go now. I think it is motherfucking beer time. If I can remember where I put them. Couple more hours, all those ATVs will be gone. There we go. My firearms are all bounced around in there. Alright. Motherfucking beer time. Boiling ore. Got a logger. Just brought 3 out. 3 out for the trip. Probably only drink 2. Motherfucking beer time. Anyways, cheers everybody. This is not a great spot by any means. It's right off the main trail. A little opening behind me. A lot of people will set up campers and stuff and they can head out. This is kind of like a, not really a central spot, but a good spot. You can access a lot of trails from this area. Easy for me to get in and out in case that storm does come. Especially if I get stuck. There's 3 areas. Got some pretty deep water. We'll see how they are tomorrow. And yeah, cheers everybody. Continue to watch the fire, smoke some cigars, get some podcasts going. And now we finally have a fire. I think you just need to get the heat in there. So I just took all that green wood, put it in my trailer for next year, because this is going to be the last trip out with the trailer. Because that wood is not burning with shit. So it's going to burn the cedar. Got another cedar bag. Yeah, not very impressed with that campsite. I was looking forward to camping there tonight, but this is a problem we face in the wilderness. It's not just here at Mclean Creek. Not ideally my favorite place to go, but it's close by. But it is what it is. You get these same people with ATVs with super fucking loud exhaust going up and down the same trail. There's like hundreds of kilometers of trail here. Put a couple cedar logs up top there and they're starting to burn. Just been listening to some podcasts. I think I will get some freeze-dried fruit right here. Kiwis and raspberries. Gonna eat those up as a snack. The freeze dryer has been pretty cool. I'm gonna say that. Been doing lots of stuff, doing lots of experimenting. Other than that, yeah. This is the campsite. I was looking at this jet boil earlier that someone just threw and left out. I think the igniter's shot in it, but maybe I'll just take it home, piss around with it. I don't need one. Yeah, fuck, maybe I'll just leave it here. Got enough junk. Well, just getting ready to shut her down. Nothing else really to do now. It's dark. Let's get the diesel heater fired up. There. Well, this sucks. I always like to watch things on my tablet from the ceiling, and I can't log into the Netflix account because I'm not connected to the internet, and it's never happened before. Oh yeah. Looks like we definitely got some snow overnight. We got quite a bit of snow overnight. That's for sure. First thing I'm gonna do is take a dump, pack up, get out of here to the main staging area. It's gonna be an ugly drive home. All right, I thought I lost my phone. Gotta figure out what key belongs to what now, so I can get everything locked back up. And we can get out of here. Fire pit's cleaned up. If I have a snow brush, it's buried. All right, this should be fun. Okay, please, baby. Please start. And I can't even see all the holes and stuff in the trail. Yeah, we got quite a bit of snow, that's for sure. Got about 1 kilometer to go. There's the exit, but there's 2 big holes that are all froze over. I gotta try to navigate through now. Well, I made it home. That's a good thing. I'm telling you. Nasty drive when you're pulling a trailer and the roads are deep and slushy. Jeep did good though.